Blessed to bless others. This is your practical apostle. I'm still here in South Africa with my brother. I want to teach you something about guava. I'm going to teach two things about guava, the medicinal side and the spiritual side of guava.
Yes.
Guava, people think it's only the fruits that they enjoy. No.
Okay.
Guava have so many benefits than the fruits. This thing doesn't mean anything. If you are somebody, you need protection,
Okay.
physical protection
Okay.
that nobody can take from you.
Yes.
Maybe you sleep, you see yourself eating in the dream.
Yes.
You see yourself having sex in the dream.
Okay.
You see yourself flying.
Okay.
You see yourself, strange people are chasing you. Maybe somebody like us, we are above 40s now.
Yes.
Me, I'm 40 plus going. I see myself in primary school again.
Yes.
In the dream.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Or you see yourself falling in the toilet, or you see yourself, you pee in the toilet in dream.
Yes.
All those things are spiritual attack that will bring you back. It will bring down your finances, and whatever you are doing will not go well. So when you know you are having this dream, go and get guava leaf, the fresh one.
Okay.
Don't bother yourself to dry it.
Okay.
Then you can get a charcoal, fire.
Okay.
You put the leaves inside. You smoke it to your body. You do it every day to 7 days.
Okay.
But when you are having all the dreams that I mentioned, you can get one garlic every night.
Okay.
You grind the garlic. After you finish bathing, your normal bath, grind the garlic. Rub it in your body before you do the smoke to your body.
Okay.
That is the end. When you go to Philippines, the history of Philippines,
Yes.
they worship this like God.
Yes.
This is what they use for their rituals. So guava leaves are very, 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 very powerful. In terms of protection and bad dream, I would love you to do this.
Okay.
Because when you have monetary spirit, there are people who have monetary spirit. When good things are coming, they will block it.
They block it.
When bad things are coming, they will allow it to happen
Allow
to
it to
you.
happen, yes.
You will go and pray for good things. The good things will not come. The things that you don't need will begin to happen to you. Use this to protect yourself.
Okay.
Just put it in a fire. Let the smoke be entering your body. You can do it for your children, and nobody can bring them down. You can explain in your dialect, then I'll teach the medicinal side too as well.
Amaqabunga kaGuava uGuava lo uma umuntu odla ephusheni umuntu mhlasimbe ohlaselekayo nje njalo melele ukuthola ukuthi mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi uziphupha udla uphupha amakaka uphupha izinto ezingacacile izinto ezenzekalayo kuwena mawulele ebusuku uyabona ukuthi uyahlaseleka thola amagwava amahlamvu kaGuava uwathatha amahlamvu kaGuava ufake amalahle uma ufaka amalahleni ubese uyazimbozela khona istim sonke singene kuwena emzimbeni makuukuthi uphupha kuukuthi ulala nomuntu noma uphupha udla qala uthole ulentuzana ugarlic ugrate ubese uyagcoba emzimbeni wakho ubese uyangena kule system lezi uzimboza yonke leyo nto leyo iyokwazi ukuthi ihambe ukwazi ukuthi uphile kahle ube right.
And when you are living in an area, you know that people does not like you.
Yes.
Dry it and keep it in your room.
Okay.
Every night, you take one like this, you can on it with fire.
Okay.
Maybe like lighter or matches, you on it. Then when it's burning,
Yes.
then you are sweating.
Okay.
I hope you're getting it.
Yes.
That every evil person around me, as this is going to vanish and burn and finish,
Let them vanish.
may their evil plan vanish. Okay. All right. I'm coming to talk about those who need children.
Okay.
You need a child.
Yes.
You see that you are having your menstruation, but the pregnancy is not coming.
Okay.
I'm telling you,
Yes.
don't go and do any surgery. Go and get this guava leaf. Boil it very well.
Yes.
Boil it. Just get it. Dry it in the room. We don't dry it under the sun.
Yes. In the
Listen
room
to me.
temperature. Yes.
So put it in a room temperature for about 2 days. Then you put it in a pot. Cook it
Okay.
like tea and be drinking.
Yes.
Cup in the morning, afternoon, evening. Continuously for about 3 weeks.
Okay.
I'm telling you, that baby will come. Anyone who is watching me, you are having child issue. And then if those who, that the ladies, you see that your menstruation is not coming anymore, you can get this and get what we call hibiscus. I don't know if you know it. We call it sobo.
Yeah,
Sobolo.
hibiscus.
That red thing.
Yes,
When you
hibiscus.
cook it,
Yes, yes.
it become red.
Yes.
Add to this
Okay.
with ginger.
Yes.
I hope you're getting it.
Yes.
The ginger, don't peel it.
Okay.
Wash it very well with the back. Then you cut it and add to it with the hibiscus.
Okay.
And cook it very well.
Okay.
I'm telling you, when you take 2 glasses, damn, your menstruation for so many years will begin to flow. Then
Okay.
you see that you are good to go. Your baby will come. That is
Everything
for
sorted.
pregnancy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Uma kuwukuthi ke umuntu ongazitholi izingane inzalo uyabona ukuthi ayikho kahle into yenzayo kufanele uthole lamahlamvu wathathe uwafake endlini ungawomisi eminyango uwomisele endlini wabeka endlini nje for 2 days emveni kwaloko ubese wapheka wabilise kahle abile kahle mayesebilile into ozoyenza uzolokwane uphuza nje into mhlambe engangemark ekseni ungakadli nantambama uphuze then kuyothi ziphela izinyanga ezintathu yonke into isobe seyenzeka yobe sokwazi ukuthola umntwana uma kuwukuthi unenkinga yokuthi ama-period wakho avalekile umuntu wesifazane kufanele uthole lokhu amahlamvu kaGuava ubese uthola lembali lekuthiwa i-hibiscus ukuthathe ukupheke nako lokhu ulokwane uphuza nje uyafu wenkomishi ekseni wafu wenkomishi intambama uyiphuze lento ama-period wakho azokwazi ukuthi abuyele abe normal then emveni kwaloko bese ziyasha bese siyahlala isisu.
And those who have diabetes,
Yes.
they have diabetes.
Yes.
When you check, it's about 16, 14,
Yes.
15, 18, 20, and 12, and 9.
Yes.
Dry this.
Okay.
Be using it to prepare tea.
Okay.
Be using it to prepare tea and be drinking. It will clear that sugar from your blood.
Okay.
There's type 2 diabetes.
Type 2 diabetes, yes.
That one it will clear it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Uma kuwukuthi unomuntu wakini onesifo se-diabetes, type 2 diabetic ne uyathatha lamahlamvu uyawathatha abese eyawomisa abese enza itiye alokane ephuza itiye lawo leyo nto leyo izoclearisheka akwazi ukuthi umuntu aphile akwazi ukuthi abe right.
And I want to teach the last one. If you don't want witchcraft to be flying on the top of your roofing,
Of your roof, yes.
of your house,
Yes.
go and dig the roots
Yes.
of guava leaf.
Yes.
Dig 3. Just
Okay.
dig the root. Cut it into 3. Okay? Like short like this.
Yes.
Let's say like this 3.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Then you get any dry bone.
Okay.
Maybe either cow or ram, sheep.
Yes.
Dry bone, old
Yes,
bone. That
yes,
maybe
old.
after they prepare the animal, the bone.
Yes.
Look for one small bone like that. And after we put it at the middle,
Okay.
then you use rope to tie it together.
Okay.
And hang behind your roofing, or you can hide it anywhere, or you can bury it in the house. No evil person can come to the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uma ngaphana kuwukuthi uyahlaseleka phezulu egcekeni kwakho kunezinto ezilwane ezigijima zigqwaqwaza phezulu kwendlu kwakho into ofanele uyenze fanele uze la uzokhipha izimpande eziwu3 ezingaka impande ezingaka eziwu3 ubese uthola ithambo ngaba ithambo legusha ngaba ithambo lembuzi ngaba ithambo lenkomo ithambo elilinganayo ubese lezi zinto lezi uyazihlanganisa ithambo libe phakathi nendawo ne ubese uyabopha ke ngentambo ukubophe ngentambo emveni kwaloko ubese uyakumbela kuleyo ndlu leyo noma egcekeni uzokwazi ukuthi ithi clear zonke lezo zilwane lezo ezigijima ezintantayo emzini wakho la uhleli khona nokwazi ukuthi nihlale ngokuthula kube nokuthula ekhaya.
If you want to put it in the ground to stay there long, you can look for a bottle
Yes.
that the root can enter and the bone can enter.
Okay.
You put it inside, you close it, then you bury it in your house.
Okay.
No evil thing can come to that house. That is it.
Okay. Uma kuwukuthi ufuna ukuhlala isikhathi eside uthatheke ungimbele ukufake ebhodleleni noma ungakufaka ebhakedeni ukufake ubese uyavala emveni kwaloko ubhobosa imbobo encane emveni kwaloko uzobe sekuhlala isikhathi eside ukuze akukho into eyongena eyisilwane eyokuchachaza igijime phakathi kwalowo muzi lo unohlala kahle ekhaya kube nokuthula.
So I'm still here at my brother's place. Can you tell them your location?
Port Shepstone endaweni yakaMadlala phesheya kweGwababa. Into wena ofanele uyenze uma ukuthi ufuna ukubona umpostoli wenza kanjena uyafona kule number 0839471856 wenze appointment wenze 1-on-1 ukuze ukwazi ukuthi usizakale inkingeni yakho ngabe uyagula ngabe uneyinkinga noma yini leyo onayo ezokwazi ukuthi usizwe kuyona uma ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uphile emzimbeni uphile emqondweni sondela sikwazi ukuthi sikubone ukwazi ukuthi ube right.
And I'll be in Johannesburg from 26th up to 1st June.
Yes.
So from today, which is 19th May,
Yes.
up to Sunday, I'm
to
still
Sunday.
here with my brother.
Yes.
If you want to come and see me here, you can come and see us here. Whatever it is, we'll sort it out. The protection, whatever, cleansing, whatever you want to do.
Whatever,
Then
yes.
from 26th up to 1st June will be Johannesburg. So you are blessed to bless others. Gaga, gaga, efata, efata, efata.
Thank you.